Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable stacks on Macbook desktop. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Is your desktop cluttered up with various images, documents, and other files or folders? There's no shame in it if so. It's a pretty common problem, and I'm used to both making and hearing embarrassed excuses about the state of desktop when sharing screens. The idea of manually sorting and cleaning up your desktop can also be a daunting prospect to start, resulting in the problem only getting worse. As it happens, though, macOS comes with a built-in feature which automatically tidies your desktop, allowing your lovely background to shine through and making you look neat and organized in the process. It's called Desktop Stacks, and essentially sort any file on your desktop into stacks, usually based on overreaching file type, although you can set files to stack by other criteria like text or last opened date. So how? It's very simple. So you can just click right on your desktop and you'll find there is an option use text. You can just click on that. So now you can see all your image and all your videos will be stacked like this. Now you have more clear desktop on your MacBook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable stacks on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.